We've all heard the headlines: tariffs, programs getting cut, businesses getting decertified. Seems like almost every day entrepreneurs face another challenge, and it feels like doors get closed. Well, I always believe that once a door closes, there are plenty others that open. If you're a business and you're thinking, maybe I need to look elsewhere to expand and grow my business, maybe there are customers that maybe don't live in the US, this is the workshop for you. Think global, build local, win everywhere is going to give you the mindset, the insights, and access to tools and strategies and resources to help you expand from local to global. Challenges are going to be inevitable, but opportunity is where you look for it and where you create it. And for many of you, your customers are waiting for you. They just don't happen to live in the US. So I'm excited to partner with you and to help you expand your reach and your customer base beyond the shores of the US. So join me at Think Global, Build Local, Win Everywhere. It's the workshop you've been waiting for to grow and scale your business.